Folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and in this episode I'm going to be teaching you guys how to construct a triangle equal in area to a given polygon with an external angle. So the first step is obviously to draw the polygon. So as you can see, I've drawn the polygon right here. Then the next step is to join DA and draw EF parallel to it. So basically I will join DA right here. So from D to A, I will join D to A. So that is the two sides that are enclosing the external angle. The next, I will draw DF parallel to it. So just draw a line through D that's parallel to this line. So it will be projected inwardly. So in the previous episode, we deal with the projection of these lines outwards. But in this episode, we are projecting them inwards. So this is DF. The next thing to do is you join DB, join D to B. So I will also join D to B here. So this is D. I've joined D to B here. So then the next step is to draw CG parallel to it. So you draw a line from C to G. So this CG will be a line at this side. Draw a line CG parallel to it. So I will basically draw a line CG parallel to it. Let's do something like that. So here we have a parallel line. So now this line is parallel to it. Now the next step to do is you need to join D to G and D to F. So I'll join D to G here. So this is G here. I'll join D to G right here. And I'll also join D to F right here. So finally we'll get in the triangle. So this is G. So this triangle D F. So let me turn the camera. So this triangle D F and G is the required triangle that is equal in area to a polygon.